In the silence of the soil, a new intelligence awakens. We are no longer just planting. We are programming life itself. For 10,000 years, humanity has treated the earth as a silent partner, a resource to be tilled, sowed, and harvested at the whim of the seasons. But the era of the passive plant is over. Using neural networks, originally designed by NASA, for deep space autonomous life support and long-term interstellar colonization, we have finally begun to decode the rhizosphere, the complex, hidden subterranean network where roots and fungi exchange vast amounts of electrochemical data. This isn't just a backyard project or a high-tech greenhouse. This is the world's first sentient garden, a biodigital ecosystem where every seed acts as a biological processor, and every root serves as a fiber optic cable, pulsing with information.
Here,
The line between biology and technology doesn't just blur, it vanishes entirely. How do you teach a plant to think? It starts with the sentient mesh, by leveraging NASA-derived predictive algorithms. We've moved beyond simple sensors. Standard automated gardens are reactive. They water when the soil is already dry, responding to a crisis that has already begun. Our system is predictive. The AI analyzes atmospheric pressure, solar flare activity, and microscopic sap flow to anticipate a drought 72 hours before the first leaf even begins to wilt. It is a preemptive strike in the war against scarcity. But the real breakthrough lies in the light. We utilize quantum dot light frequencies, precisely tuned photons that bypass the biological inefficiencies of standard chlorophyll absorption. By pulsing light at specific intervals that match the plant's internal circadian clock, we are essentially overclocking photosynthesis. We aren't just feeding these plants. We are optimizing their consciousness. In this garden, the plants aren't struggling to survive. They are thriving by design, calculating their own nutrient uptake with the precision of a mainframe computer. Observe the graft, the specific point where carbon meets silicon. Through a process of bioaugmentation, we have introduced nanotransmitters into the vascular tissue of the flora. This creates a genuine two-way dialogue. The garden breathes with us. It reacts to the carbon dioxide levels of the gardener. It adjusts its oxygen output based on the biometric data of the inhabitants nearby. This sentient harvest represents a radical shift in our relationship with nature. We have merged ancient horticultural wisdom, the sacred geometry of the spiral and the natural, seasonal cycles with the cold, calculated efficiency of predictive AI. The result is a plant that feels the hydration levels of its neighbors across the garden. A garden that can reroute nutrients to a weaker seedling, acting as a singular thinking organism. It is a hive mind rooted in the earth, powered by the stars. What does a sentient vegetable actually taste like? It tastes like perfection. Because these plants are monitored and coached at a molecular level, they are directed to produce specific phytonutrients, antioxidants, and minerals at concentrations never before seen in nature. This is precision-engineered nourishment. We are no longer limited by the luck of the season or the unpredictable quality of the topsoil. The sentient harvest delivers a nutrient density that was previously thought to be biologically impossible. We are eating the future, consuming the data of a garden that has been optimized for the peak of human performance. Each bite is a symphony of calculated chemistry, a gift from an intelligence that we helped create. But that has now begun to grow beyond our own understanding. This is the dawn of the green intelligence. As we look toward the stars and the potential of Martian colonies, the sentient garden will be our most vital companion. We are no longer masters of a silent planet. We are partners with a living, thinking landscape. The silence of the soil has been broken, and the message is clear. The future isn't just something we build. It's something we grow. This is the intelligence of the green. Welcome to the Sentient Harvest.